mosquito coil in boiling water and you'll be surprised by the result. After I learned this, I never had that problem in my house again. And yes, it's absolutely true. For this, all you need is a pan with hot water. Use an old pan that you no longer use. Into it, we're going to add 2 mosquito coils. That's right, the same ones you've probably used before in the traditional way. Believe me, they can be far more useful than you might think. After some time in the water, they begin to dissolve and release incredible properties. Now let's add some cloves, which you probably already have at home, and which will make all the difference. Add a generous amount and let it boil in the water. The next ingredient we're going to use is coarse salt. It has the power to boost the effects of all the other ingredients. Add a generous spoonful and then mix everything well. After a little while, you'll notice the color of the water has already changed. That's a sign that the process is working. Now turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool slightly. Once that's done, remove the coils and then transfer the mixture to another suitable container. Now comes another essential ingredient, 70% alcohol. It not only helps preserve the mixture, but also enhances its effectiveness and speeds up drying. Let's add 150 milliliters of alcohol. Finally, we'll finish off with a bit of peppermint essence, a very important ingredient. Not just for the aroma, but also because it's highly effective for our purpose. Add a good amount and then mix well. I imagine that at this point you're curious, wondering what this is for. I'll tell you now, and you don't want to miss it. To finish, simply pour the mixture into a spray bottle or any other container that makes application easier. Before I learned this tip, I tried countless expensive products that just didn't work, until I discovered this, and it became my solution. The secret of this amazing product we've just made is that it's a powerful homemade insect repellent. It keeps away all kinds of insects like mosquitoes, cockroaches, ants, spiders, and other unwanted pests. Just apply it in places where these insects usually appear, and that's it. You'll have a protected environment with no strong odors, and all of this without spending almost anything, since it's very likely that you already have all the ingredients at home. Rest of the product can be stored and used as needed. Without a doubt, this will be your ultimate solution against insects. That was today's video. Share it with your friends and family. Hope you enjoyed it. A big hug and sick video.